Hey, I didn't spill any.
Hey friends, we cut this Y post when we were cutting firewood the other day, but as will happen when you're cutting, cleaning up dead stuff, you're trying to work fast as safe, you're trying to work efficiently, let me put it that way, and you start into something and then later on regret, like, oh, I should have been planning more carefully, but it can be hard to see sometimes. A lot of times where we're working anyway, there's a lot of brush and whatnot in the way that you're working around. So one of us had already cut about halfway through. So we're offloading right now. So Christopher's just gonna go ahead and finish the cut.
It saw's unhappy with me. Did dig into the dirt quite a few times the other day when cutting up some stuff on accident, so chain needs to be sharpened. Still cut.
We got hay on the back of the trailer. And guess what they see? Alrighty friends, everybody have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.